Hi, young lady. What is your name?
Grace.
Grace, you're a beautiful young lady, you know that?
Thank you, I guess.
How old are you?
12.
Are you excited to be here?
It's crazy.
What are you going to sing?
I'm singing an original.
Really?
Yes.
What's it about?
It's about me.
And are the people at school behind you supporting you?
Most of my friends don't really know I sing.
So they don't know you're here?
No.
You believe that you can win?
Well, I mean, miracles can happen, so possibly.
The stage is yours. Good luck.
I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game. So you say I'm just trying, just trying. So I heard you are my sister's friend. You get along quite nicely. You asked me why I cut my hair and changed myself completely. I'm lost, trying to get found in an ocean of people. Please don't ask me any that I don't know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game, so you say. I'm just trying, just trying. I now know my name. I don't play by the rules of the game, so we say. I'm not trying, but I'm trying to find my way.
You know, this is a show about surprises, and you use the word miracle, and I think you are a living, beautiful, walking miracle. Your original, the people not knowing your name, is so right and so wrong because I think the world is gonna know your name. I think right now they're gonna know your name because you are going right through.
Can do is keep breathing
You know what I predict for you? I think you are the next little Taylor Swift.
Thank you so much.
Howie's golden buzzer. How's it feel?
I feel like this, I'm kind of just daydreaming. I'm getting ready to wake up.
Well, this is going to be a long dream because you're going straight through to the live shows. You'll see it in the live show. What a great girl.
Wow.
What a great personality.
I can't believe it.
You have confetti in your hair.
I do.
Yeah. Hear Simon Cowell make a prediction that you're the next Taylor Swift? Can I get your autograph?
So you think you've got a star now?
I 100% think we got a star.
Amazing.
Wow.
Yeah, I really do.
That is a big
This
wow.
girl is special.
She is special.
And I'm now annoyed I didn't press the golden button.
Thank you, YouTube. Thank you for watching on air and online. And to subscribe, just click below and comment and like and just don't touch.